now Tafsir will give a presentation on what you can do in your free time. So let's start. Tafsir.
Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about what I can do in my free time. First of all, in my free time, I can read storybooks or magazines. Also, I can draw pictures when I feel creative. Sometimes I can watch uh, in in
Watch interesting videos.
interesting videos or listen to music. Moreover, I can go outside and play with my friends.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. You did an excellent job. Clap for him. He said everything clearly. Okay. So কিছু কিছু শব্দ ছিল যেমন মোর ওভার, হ্যাঁ, ওভার, আই ক্যান, ক্যান, গো, গো, প্লে। সো শব্দগুলো ঠিক করতে হবে। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। নাও